Yamaha outboards are synonymous with reliability and longevity. Keeping your outboard in top condition will help provide an outstanding ownership experience and help maintain its value over time. Your 20-hour service is the first step to make sure your Yamaha outboard is ready when you are. Even if you're a do-it-yourselfer, having your authorized Yamaha dealer perform at least the first important service is suggested, although not required. So, what does Yamaha recommend during your 20-hour service? Well, this is the first service your outboard receives after the initial break-in. It basically helps to ensure the mechanical surfaces have properly seated together, the component systems are operating correctly, and inspects the outboard for any potential early signs of trouble. To begin, the fluids will be changed, including engine oil and lower unit gear lube. Yamaha also recommends that your 10-micron water-separating fuel filter be changed at this interval, as well as an inspection of the fuel system and propeller. Basically, this is a thorough inspection of your entire engine. It's like the yearly physical you get from your doctor. Spending a relatively small amount of time making sure your outboard is in proper condition is simple to do, and you'll have more hours of trouble-free enjoyment on the water. You'll help preserve your investment. Your boat will be ready when you are, and it's easier and costs less to maintain than repair. Download the My Yamaha Outboards mobile app and set up an account. As a Yamaha outboard owner, you'll be able to record and document your maintenance history, view detailed boating checklists, and receive important information about your Yamaha outboard.